Hello all, welcome back to the UC shop. This is Kasim. So we are back yet again with another short video series for bringing you more and more new designs and new collections. So today what we have this beautiful Dupian silk Banarsi in 3D dye pattern. We have this 3D dye pattern with with different color combinations. So let me just start showing you the very first product. So the very first product we have is this beautiful Dupian silk Banarsi sari. As you can see, the complete body of the sari is in very beautiful bottle green color tone with this traditional handloom inspired design with zari woven stripe pattern design, horizontal stripes in the complete body of the sari. And for the border part, we have this dual tone border with one layer with Rani pink color, and the other we have this navy blue, a very dark navy blue. So this pattern of dye is called 3D dye, and the same 3D dye pattern we have in the pallu as well with navy blue color floral pattern design dye. And the next we have is Rani pink. So this is a complete body look. And coming to the pallu part, coming to the border blouse part, we have this navy blue color blouse as well. So this saree is priced at rupees 1599, 1599 rupees, and the shipping is free pan India. So for the fabric, if you want to know the type of fabric, this is very lightweight. The fabric is very soft, very comfortable to wear. The plates also makes very good. So this was the very first color of the saree. Price is rupees 1599, free shipping. So in the same design, we have yet one more color. So this color is very beautiful red color with a combination of sky blue and navy blue color border. So this is a complete body look, and this is a border sky blue and navy blue. So the same pattern dyed you'll be getting in a pallu as well with this multi-layered dye. So in the same pattern, coming to the next design that we have, the next design we have is this very beautiful parrot green color. I'll open this as well for you. So this is the second design for today. So this is a very beautiful light parrot green color base with this zari woven Banarsi booties in the complete body of the sari. And coming to the border part, we have this beautiful 3D dyed pattern border as well with orange color and a layer of red multicolored 3D dye pattern. So this is a complete border, and you'll be getting the same 3D dyed pattern in the pallu as well with this light maroon color base floral pattern design and a layer of orange color, the same 3D dyed pattern. And this here is the blouse. The saree is also priced the same rupees 1599, free shipping. To place an order, all you have to do is take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on the number given below. So in the second design, we have 5 more colors. So coming to the very next color we have this very beautiful pure white with a mixture of red and maroon color, a small border with red and the larger one with maroon color. So this is a body look, and this is a border. So this was the second color we have in the design. The third color we have in the same design is this beautiful blue with we have Rani pink and navy blue. So you'll be getting this same blue color in the complete body work, and you'll be getting the border in Rani pink and this navy blue color mixture design. So this was the very third color. The fourth color we have is this beautiful navy blue color. You'll be getting the navy blue color body of the sari with this beautiful light orange and maroon tone dual tone border. So this is a complete body look. And the last color in this design that we have is this beautiful yellow. The yellow is with off-white and Rani pink color. So this will be a complete body look. And for the border, we have this off-white and Rani pink color 3D dye pattern work. And so the next design we have for today is also in the same 3D dye pattern. I'll just open one for you as well. So as you can see, the body of the sari is in very beautiful Rani pink color, and for the body part we have this golden zari woven vertical stripe pattern design in the complete body of the sari. And for the border, we have the same dual tone 3D dyed border with a layer of yellow and another layer of green color. So this is a 3D dyed pattern. And for in the pallu also we have this beautiful 3D dyed pattern with this layer of yellow and green color mixture combination. A very beautiful looking piece, Rani pink with yellow and green, a very decent combination. And this here is the blouse. So this was the third design for today. So just to let you know again, to place an order, all you have to do is take a screenshot of the sari like this. Just take a screenshot and just WhatsApp us on a number given below, and you can just place your order. And just to remind you, you should take at least 7 to 10 days delivery time, because this dye that you can see, this dye is done by hand, so it takes at least 3 days for finishing of the sari. So please take 7 to 10 days time before ordering. So in that design that we just shown, we have 2 more colors. So the very first color we have is this off-white color base, off-white color body with this yellow and maroon color dual tone 3D dye. So as you can see, off white with yellow and maroon. So this is the very second color of the sari. And the last color we have in that design is this beautiful red. We have red with sky blue and navy blue combination. You'll be getting the red color body with this sky blue and navy blue color combination body. So just so to place an order, you already know the process. So I would just like to request you to please do share our page with your friends and family so we can grow more and try to bring more and new collections for you. So stay tuned. We'll be coming back with this live series soon.